Yes, it does have a database. Importantly, the Henson runs under the Windows environment, and this makes a big difference for lots of reasons. One, working in Windows, we can use the networking facilities that are just standard in Windows software. So for instance, not only can we network by plugging the Henson in to a hardwired network, but the Henson 8000 is Wi-Fi enabled as well, so it can connect to networks through a wireless link as well. So within the 8000, we have a hard disk drive and a computer running Windows, and we also have a USB pen that is actually fitted inside. And when you save a record, it's saved on the hard drive with a backup copy on the USB pen. So if the hard drive fails, which all hard drives will fail sooner or later, hopefully later, but they will fail one day, all the data is on the USB pen internally. Now you can also back up the data to an external USB pen or any other device, or if you're wirelessly linked to a network, you can have the data stored on the network file server. So in fact, you can have up to 20 Hensons all sharing the same database on a file server. Okay, so what will happen is that each Henson will see all the records on the database and can download them and can upload them automatically. Okay,
so if you don't have to change a record here, it'll automatically synchronize everywhere else.
Exactly.
That's
yes.
really good. Yeah.
So what would happen in a system where they were networked, you'd have each Henson would choose to save its records on the network server. Okay? And that's where we record records from. Yes. So all patients, as soon as they're finished testing, their data will be available on the network. But you asked specifically about whether we can integrate with practice management systems, which is a big requirement. So not only do we have a database, and you can see on this slide what the database looks like. There's a whole list of records, and on the right you can see for this particular patient, the highlighted one, we can see their field chart. And the field chart is actually a PDF file. So we save the numbers, as it were, in a database, but we generate a PDF file for every examination. And that PDF file is stored in a directory that can be accessed by a practice management system. And we just store it under the patient's name, their record number, date of test, and time of test. So it's very easy. If you've just seen Mr. John Jones on record number 001 on the 8th of December, you just look for that file and that's the record. Okay, so yes, they can be integrated. It will need some linking software to get it to work, but it should be straightforward.
Can you merge databases, for example?
You can. You can merge databases if you've got, say, several Hensons and you want to transfer data across. You can merge them. And in the future, we're trying to be able to import data from other machines as well. But that's a little bit more difficult, not because of the Henson, but because of the other machines.